陀仔今日做 fractions 嘅 miscellaneous question， 即係份數嘅各類題目嘅。而家我哋有呢個題目，佢就話 Sarah 咧就 ate 15 apples and ate 1/5 啦。佢問你 how many remain， 即係話 Sarah 呢個人有15個蘋果，嗱呢度15個蘋果啦，咁佢食咗1/5，嗱即係話呢度分開做5份咁樣啦，食咗呢度1份咁樣嘅。咁佢問你 remain 即係剩翻呢度幾多個啊？嗱呢度剩翻就1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12個就係咁樣答啦。跟住咧就到呢一條，佢就話 Ivan 咧 had 8 toys and a quarter 咧就 broke 喎。佢問你 how many are not broken， 即係話 Ivan 呢一個人有8個玩具嘅，呢度8個啦，然之後1/4係爛咗。咁佢呢度咧就問你冇爛嘅有幾多個呢？嗱呢度8個入邊呢，有4份入邊有1份係爛咗，呢度講嘅1/4 broke 啊嘛，呢度1/4就爛咗，冇爛嘅就呢一度咯。呢一度咧就有1、2、3、4、5、6個玩具冇爛嘅，跟住再嚟呢度咯，佢就話 A toy store 咧 had 12 toy guns and sold a half。佢問你 how many were sold， 即係話有個 toy store 有個玩具店有12支呢啲玩具槍，12個 toy guns 12支玩具槍啦，然之後咧就賣咗 a half。即係話2份呢度呢，有1份賣咗嘅，咁即係賣咗幾多呢？就係呢一度1、2、3、4、5、6支嘅，就係咁樣答啦。然之後到呢條咯，佢就話 There are 15 birds in the farm 啦，跟住就 1/3 are ducks and the rest are chickens。佢問你 how many chickens are there？ 佢呢一度即係話呢係一個 farm， 有個農場有15隻 birds 啦。嗱，陀仔 birds 咧唔一定係雀仔噶，可以係雞鴨咁樣啦。然之後咧 1/3 咧就ducks，即係話咧分開做3份咧，有1份係鴨嚟嘅，呢一度咧係鴨嚟嘅。然之後咧 the rest are chickens， 剩翻呢啲係雞嚟嘅。咁即係有幾多隻雞啊？咁樣喎。嗱呢度3份入邊有1份鴨啦，其他就雞，咁其他就有1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10隻咯喎。快啲上榮恩教室嘅 Facebook 同埋我哋嘅網站度睇下啦。